sing the jingle bells so Santa will come.
Jingle bell, jingle all the way. I love the way. Hey!
Hey! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun there is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Hey! Jingle bell, jingle all the way.
Good afternoon, welcome back to our channel. Happy Sunday, everyone. It is the 22nd of November, I think, and aalis tayo ngayon, guys. It's currently 12:20 ng tanghali, and we're going out. We're going to the shops because may bibilhin kami, guys. And here's our little family. Ang ating baby ka jumping up and down, nak? The muddy puddles? It's been raining all night. Tingnan niyo. What's wrong? Yeah, there. Hey. No? Here, oh? So we're going to Kmart, guys, kasi I am planning to buy something for our Christmas tree. So I checked before. I-open ko sana yung garage, pakita ko sa inyo, guys. But earlier today, chinek ko yung ating Christmas tree at yung mga decorations ng ating Christmas tree, guys. Just, you know, to confirm na okay pa siya. Ay, nalap! Kasi last Christmas, hindi kami sa bahay na to, guys. Sa ibang lugar kami. And akala ko hindi na okay yung Christmas tree. But it seems like it's okay. Kaya yun pa rin yung gagamitin natin na Christmas tree, guys. Kasi sayang. Sayang naman kung hindi natin gagamitin. No need to buy naman ng bago. Alin na, look! Alin na? This is our outfit, guys. Ayan. Hoop! Hindi makita. Ayan. So, naka-t-shirt lang tayo, and then naka-shorts, and then naka-flats. Ayan. Alin na, look! Papa girl! And this bag. Oh, I love it, guys. Sobrang warm now. Hindi na kailangan mag-jacket. What happened to your shoes? Huh? What happened? What's wrong? Daddy's gonna get you all gum. Mommy. Yes, Paris.
Mommy.
Yes, Paris. Eating kana. Aw, is that for mommy?
Yeah.
Thank you, Paris. Kiss na yun, mommy. Kiss na yun. I'm gonna get more. Hala, tingnan nyo, guys. Gonna get more kasi ang dami pa talaga dyan. Oh. Get some more. Okay. Get one more and then we'll go, okay? Tingnan nyo, guys. Oh, tumubo na yung mga bulaklak. Thank you, Paris. Come on.
This one.
Ay, hindi niya kakaputol. Ay, Josh! It's hard, na. Ala, naputol. Thank you, Paris. How about give it to Daddy? Because Daddy is gonna cry. Because nothing for him. Go. Give it to Daddy. I just say for you, Daddy. Come on, say for you, Daddy.
Okay, that.
Ooh. Give it to Daddy. Give it to Daddy.
Sit down. Thank you, Bobby. Would you like a gummy? Oh, thank you. Would you like gummy? Okay, go sit down.
Ang gummy ay kanyang vitamins, guys. Tinatawag namin gummy para hindi halata.
Mommy.
Which one, na?
I like this one, Mommy.
Meron pa kaming mga ganito sa bahay, guys. So, I don't think we need more, honey. We have that one at home. Tignan niyo, guys. Oh.
To this one.
Ang sa daw?
I'm going to do like this.
She wants that one, Mommy.
Boy, mami ka karon. Tingnan niyo, guys. Oh my God, it makes my heart so happy pag nakakita ko ng mga Christmas tree.
That's Santa.
So this one is not bad. See, it's $49. Just for the tree, huh? Long balls. This one, I don't know why I'm looking at Christmas trees when we have one at home already. Dito tayo. What's that now? Is that Santa? Wow.
And we're going this way.
Wait, this way na.
This
We
way?
might get like Christmas lights. See if we have Christmas lights in. You already have one, Daddy, yeah? This one?
Marah na.
Stars.
I'm not sure, man. No?
Paris, have a look now. Have a look. Daddy, put it on Paris, Daddy.
I'm gonna do my
Oh, you do it yourself. Okay. Wow, babe, look at Mommy, babe.
Show mommy. Hey! You
Can
wanna
you
wear
sing
it?
Jingle Bells?
Wear it. You can wear it.
Jingle.
Put it on. Keep it. Come on.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Oh God, guys. Oh. Super lovely.
Oh. Hey.
Yeah. Do you want another one?
Have a look. Alright.
May pasulti ang mga ama.
Mayo.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Merry Christmas.
My goodness.
We'll go get another color na. Oh, she knows.
Do you want horsey? Paris. Do you want daddy to get you the horsey?
Wow, that's so cute.
I want this one.
What's the same, anak? Tingnan niyo, guys.
Do you want daddy to get you this one?
$49. Ang kanyang daddy. The same, anak. Tapang,
This
anak.
says I like it.
Say thank you,
Okay,
daddy.
babe. Paris, ride, babe.
Which one do you like?
Which one do you like? The same one, Dad. Okay. Put your foot on this one, nak. How do you call this one, daddy? Footrest.
Rocky. Hold on. Okay, come.
Yay! Okay, ride the horsey.
Hey!
This one?
I can't, I'm too big.
That one's fine.
You can go on
I
this
want
one.
this one. Look at that.
Nice.
That's for baby. You're not baby
This is for the
anymore.
big girl.
No,
Guys, nagutom sa atin yun. So, nag-order muna ako ng rep. Ayan. Ito yung in-order ko, guys. This one. It's very yummy. Hinihintay ko lang. Ang ating baby girl at si Daddy Mike ay nandito, guys. Oh. Andun, no? Naglalaro sila sa Christmas tree. Oh! Is that yours? Is that yours, Paris? Wow! Ganda ng Christmas tree nila dito, guys. Oh, yes! Is that your present?
Paris had to go on the white horse, mommy.
Oh, did you?
And it was going up.
again, mommy.
You want to show mommy the horse?
Wow, great job, Paris.
Come.
Let's see.
Okay, show mommy.
You want the white horse or the brown horse? Hold on.
Hold on, baby girl. Do you like it? Do it again. So I like it, mommy.
Yours.
Hold
Yeah,
on.
mommy.
Hold on. Wow. Well done.
Paris.
So strong. You're so brave, Baba. You're so brave. Wow. Nagutom ako at gusto ko talagang kumain ng soup. So, nandito kami ngayon sa loob na Vietnamese na kainan. And nag-order ako ng bún bue. And that's my favorite, guys. Ang ating baby girl. Oh.
And then one.
Si Daddy Mike pala, guys, pumunta siya ng chemist kasi bumili siya nito. Daddy, may kurikong si Daddy Mike sa kanyang kamay, guys. Ayan, ito yung pinabili ng pharmacist. Ayan. Para sa kanyang kamay dyan, guys. Oh, nagburot-burot. Kurikong.
Oi. Utang na.
Ano yung ating baby girl para hindi siya maghilak-hilak.
Medicine?
Daddy medicine. Ayan na guys. Man. Si Daddy Mike ay busog na. Ayaw na niyang kumain. Baby girl, so ako lang yung kakain guys. Pampagata. We're home guys. Ang ating baby girl ay nandyan na oh. So ayan yung mga napamili natin. And ayan yun, nakabihis siya ng ganito kasi gusto niyang mag-paint. And just in case, ayan oh, ito yung pinabili niya kanina oh. How much is this one na? $10.99.
Open it.
Open it. You wanna paint? Kaya binihisan namin ng ganito just in case mabulingit. Okay lang. Ayan. And then I bought her this guys. Yung canvas para ito yung sulat-sulatan niya. Ayan. And yeah, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo quickly guys yung mga napamili natin from the shops. I-organize muna natin si Paris kasi gusto na niyang mag-paint. Sinalagyan ko ng mat na ganito guys just in case maano yung mapintahan yung floor ba. Ayan. So, yeah. Are you excited? Yes. Are you gonna paint for mommy and daddy? Yes, 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 yes. Ayan. Dito natin siya ilagay guys kasi isi-set up ko yung ating Christmas tree ngayon dito sa gilid para naman makita pa rin natin siya. Magpapatulong sana ako sa kanya sa Christmas tree pero mas excited siya dito sa kanyang painting. Yes, honey. There you go. Huh? Yes, your hands. You go. Wow! Don't paint the walls, huh? And the floor? Just this, okay? Are you listening, Paris? Wow! Tingnan nyo guys, oh!
And colors.
That's lots of colors. Wow! That's a beautiful painting. What are you painting, Paris?
Gruffaloes.
A what?
That's mommy.
Okay, colorful.
Gruffalo.
Ah, Gruffalo. Okay. Wow.
And green.
Green, okay. Oh,
That's a
wow.
nice gruffalo.
It's beautiful, isn't it, Daddy? Nice painting. And Mama's gonna organize the Christmas tree now. This one here, look, there's more. You got more here. Wow.
Pink. Purple.
Purple, okay. Ang ating baby girl ay nagpa-painting na with her daddy. Si daddy ang kanyang audience, guys. Ipapakita ko sa inyo quickly, ha. Firstly, bumili ako ng ganito, yung mga Christmas cards. Kasi marami tayong bibigyan. This is 18 pack and only bought it for $2.50. $2.50. And bumili ako ng bagong ganito, baby on board. Dalawa pala sila, guys. So, ginamit ko na yung isa na sa sasakyan niya. And then, scotch tape para sa mga presents na ating babalutin. Ayan. Ayan. So, tatlong, prints. I love silver. And then, ito pala yung prep kanina.
Can you paint the heart red?
This one for Paris. Do you want to wear this one up while you're painting?
Can you paint the heart
You're a
red?
reindeer. You're Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Had a very shiny nose. No? Okay. And then, pumunta kami ng Coles. Mango slice. Ayan. And then, Daddy got this for Paris. Parang, Father Christmas 24 milk chocolates. Ayan. So, from December 1, December 2, ganyan. I-open mo, tapos may mga chocolates sa loob. What is it, no?
Eggs.
Eggs? There's no eggs, my love. And then, these two. Ayan. Have a look na. Reindeer.
Be careful of the paint.
Careful with the paint, anak. Have you got paint on your hand?
No.
Yes, you do. She just looked at it and said no. Okay, wipe it here.
Don't touch the
Wipe
walls.
here. Wipe here. Okay, so ito, binili ko guys. Gold, silver. And then red. And ito yung shoes na binili ni Daddy Mike for Paris. Vans. Sobrang cute, guys. Have a look. Magkapareha sila. You've got one similar to this, yeah? Yeah. Twinnings with Daddy Mike. Ayan. They were on sale for $50, yeah? $49.99.
Was that the Christmas one?
I told Daddy Mike na pag Christmas na to, pag ibabalot namin ba, tapos ilalagay namin sa ilalim ng aming Christmas tree. Ilalim, hindi pa ilalim kasi yung Christmas tree namin ay maliit, guys. But anyways, you know what I mean? Gusto nang ipagamit ni Daddy Mike guitar. Gusto niya. And then also, bumili ako ng ganito, guys. Yung play mat. Ilalagay natin doon sa kung saan nilagay ko yung mga laruan ni Baby Paris. Kasi tiles doon, guys, and I don't like that tiles because it looks dirty and also maginaw siya. Kaya maganda kapag may ganito para pwede maglaro si Paris doon. And then what else? Ito lang pala yung binili ko, guys. Bumili ako ng wipes. Nandun kami sa Kmart. Ayan. Peppa Pig na wipes. Water and then dishwashing liquid. And pumunta ako sa Asian shop kasi nakatulog si Paris sa sasakyan. Bumili ako ng mga ganito, guys. Wow! We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Pressing jingle bells na? No. Bumili ako ng ganito. 4 sila, guys. $3 each. Ayan. I don't know if babagay ito sa ating Christmas tree, guys, kasi maliit yung Christmas tree natin, yung Christmas tree namin from last year. Ayaw ko namang bumili ng bago kasi, alam niyo, masayang lang yung, yung old natin. Ayan, so it looks very festive. Christmas na talaga. And then, while nandun ako sa Asian shop, guys, bumili ako ng mga frames. Maraming frames kasi may binili ako online ng mga posters para sa ating beauty room. And I'll create another video for that, guys, pag dinecorate na natin yung ating room. Beauty room natin. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 frames. Ito siya, 20 by 25. Isa, tapos dalawang 21 by 30. Ayan. And then, we've got 2 30 by 42. Actually, yung poster ko, guys, 30 by 40. Pero wala namang 30 by 40. 30 by 42. That should work. So, dalawa sila. And then, we've got 1 40 by 50 centimeters. Ayan. So, ayan, guys. 6 sila. And then, ngayon, kukunin na natin ang ating Christmas tree sa garage. Kasi nasa garage yun, guys. Nakabox pa. Pati yung mga decorations ng ating Christmas tree. Para mailagay na natin dito. So, yung plants natin, guys, which is that one. Normally, dyan yan siya, diba? So, minove ko siya doon sa kabila para dito natin mailagay yung Christmas tree. Because the socket, yung saksakan ay nandyan. So, kailangan malapit. So, ito ang ating Christmas tree, guys. Ayan. Oh, sa Kmart yata namin to binili ni Mimi. Kanina nga pagpunta namin ng Kmart, guys, parang hindi talaga parang. Lumuha talaga ako kasi na-miss ko yung sister Mimi ko, guys. Last time kami yung namili nito. Naalala ko lang siya ba. Ayan. So, ito yung mga I think siya pa nga yung for sure siya, guys. Kasi yung aking sister Mimi, guys, siya talaga yung very hands-on dito sa bahay nung nandito siya. So, alam ko siya talaga yung nag-pack nito. Kasi ang kanyang sister ay pa-prinsesa ang dating nung nandito siya. Ayan.
Why is that painting?
Nak, we'll put the Christmas tree up, Nak, together. Do you want to help Mommy?
No.
No? Okay, Mama will do it. Just put it down there, Daddy, please. Last year, guys, si Mimi yung kasama ko dito pag sinet up namin yung Christmas tree. Kung hindi niyo pa napanood yung video na yun, guys, from last year, ililink ko sa taas. Ay, naiyak anak, hala, excited na kating baby girl, nilagyan na lang. Okay, you wait there, okay? Ready? Yay! Merry Christmas! Yeah. Yeah. Say Merry Christmas, everyone! Yay! It's Christmas at Mackenzie's house. It's Christmas at Mackenzie's house. Santa's coming, is he? Shush!
Oh,
Wow. Do you like the lights? Do you like the lights? So, ayan guys, ang ating mga mess ay nandyan pa. Lagay natin ito sa ilalim. Pero that's it. That's our Christmas tree. Not very fancy, guys. Ayan. Tapos, your reindeer. Tapos, dito ilalagay yung mga presents, guys. To open on, Christmas Day. Wow! Do you like the lights, Nat? Can you sing the Jingle Bells so Santa will come?
Jingle all the way. I love the way. Hey!
Hey! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun there is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! That's it, guys. Oh my god, it makes me so happy. Yan ang ating Christmas tree. Cooking dinner na, guys. Nagluto si Daddy Mike ng egg. And ito yung lulutuin ko, guys. Meron pa kaming rice na iwan kasi. Kaya lulutuin ko lang is itong dilis. Ayan. Very excited for this. Mabilis lang naman itong lutuin. Is it so on? So, ang ating baby girl ay nanonood ng kanyang Christmas na pang kids ba? Paris loves Christmas songs, guys. Sinabihan niya ako kanina, Mommy, Christmas songs, please. Kaya yun yung nilagay ko sa sa TV. This is our oil. Sunflower oil. Yung mama ko kasi nagbi-video call kami ba? Sila yung kausap ni Paris ngayon. Kunti lang. Tapos, palisan na din ang suka. Wala, daog na itong panihapon. Alam nyo guys, pagkatapos kong i-decorate yung ating kanina, Christmas tree, sabi ni Paris, oh my God! Marag kurik gini itong bata guys. Oh my God daw. Sobrang sarap ng amoy guys. Bulad pa more. Daddy, what do you think of the smell?
Serious.
Bakit kaya hindi nila gusto yung amoy nito guys? Sarap-sarap kaya nito guys. Nagugutom nga ako kapag naaamoy ko yung bulad. Ito pala yung ating suka guys. Dato puti suka. Tinan nyo, meron ng mga spices sa loob. Ayan. Kain muna kami guys ha. Tingnan nyo ang aking dinner. Oh. Speak to you soon! Hi again guys! So it's now 8 o'clock ng gabi. Tapos ng aming dinner, ng ating baby girl, tingnan nyo. Ayan. So, I washed her already. Actually, not washed. Wiped ba? Ayan. Nag-change yung nappy and everything. Malinis na yan siya kanina. Ang tingnan nyo. Sabi niya, she wants to paint. Pinaint niya sa sarili niya. We'll have a bath after this. Mama told you. Just a little bit, anak. Okay? Okay? What did you do there? Oh my God. Anyways, guys, i-end na natin yung vlog dito kasi we have to get everything clean here. Tapos si Paris, ang ating ibabath. Because Monday tomorrow, we have to work again. I'm so happy with my Christmas tree. Tignan you guys. I'm very happy with the outcome. And you know what? Christmas is just the best season for me, like special, very special, the most special season for me guys. I so love Christmas, and you know what, I can listen to Christmas songs all year round. So hindi lang talaga Christmas pinapatugtog ko yung mga Christmas songs, kahit February pa siya guys, pinapatugtog ko yung Christmas songs kasi that's how much I love Christmas. Anyways, thank you very much guys for watching today's video. I hope that you really enjoyed it. And also sa ating mga bagong subscribers, welcome sa inyong lahat. Sana na-enjoy niyo yung mga vlogs natin. And now, we're just going to do a quick shout out. Tingnan niyo itong baby, oh. Shout out to Emmy Garcia, Vel Patiag, Ronald Balaba, Claudine's Kitchen, Claudine Reid, Yam M. Kapunpon, Vicky Inot, Jeroan Ambe, Joy Pham, Inday Tambay Vlogs, Lina de los Santos, Maria Victoria Larenas, J-Lo Sherl, Rinar Mary Cahuerta, Jovey Opiasa, Shirley Cirillo, Maricel Mabalot, ang saya kahit kailan. Shout out to Helena Putong, Teli Lamparo, Charity Tamayo, Ann Lifestyle Australia, hello Dai, Vida Feliz, Inday Humentiza Diaz Torrijos, Sonia Laison, Amelita Balajay, Mami Rose Sabalye, Joanne Owano, and Jubilee Notarte. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this dirty family. And I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't,
Oh, bye.
close.